Hi guys, I hope you're keeping well and safe. I'm going to talk about something you probably don't want to hear as a teenager, and that's helping out around the house. This is the time to help your parents by getting involved with the cooking, cleaning, dusting, tidying up, looking after your younger siblings if you have little brothers and sisters. Well done to those of you who are already doing this, because I know some of you are already very helpful at home. But for those of you who just sit around and moan about being bored, taking on more responsibility at home is another way to tackle boredom. Home learning, house partying, exercising, socializing with your friends online, FaceTiming, they're all important, but also spend a few minutes to help out around your house. Your parents will thank you for it. Take care and have a great day.